welcome back to another video. Today we're testing the Mini Jeep and we're gonna be pushing it to the limit. We got 5 tasks for the Mini Jeep to pass to really see how good and actually how useful this thing is and what you can do if you guys want to build one at home. So first, we're gonna be trying to drifting it. I have drifted already on grass, but we got some gravel here. We're gonna see how well it drifts. Second, we're gonna be testing the top speed. I really wanna know what the top speed on this thing is, so I'll get the app on my phone. Actually not pushing full boost yet. I haven't sealed the boost chamber, but it should be pushing 5 PSI. 4, we're gonna be testing how good this thing is on sand. Obviously, not very good. As you can see, we got slicks. So it's not gonna be very good on sand, but I still wanna take it on there. It'll be fun. And then 5, we're gonna test the braking. So we're gonna see how well the brakes are. If I slam as hard as I can, what really happens, see if they lock up. And comment down in the comment section right now what you think is gonna happen, what top speed it's gonna do. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment, see if you guys think it's gonna last today. I don't know, it's a 190, it's turboed, I've already ripped it. It shoots giant flames. So I don't know it's very good for the engine, but we're gonna see. Hopefully it doesn't break because I put too much time in this goddamn thing. So I think the first test, I think we gotta try the donuts. So let's get the first test donutting right here, and let's see how well this thing actually slides. All right, we got it then. Big chillin'. We outside. Oh! I saved it. All right, let's try. Here's the thing, I want to do it right here. I don't want to do it just yet because they're gonna get mad. Let's do a flyby. All right, we're gonna do a little flyby now, guys, because there's kind of people here and I want to try to stay here as long as possible. Oh my God, jump right there. So to warm her up, we're gonna go for a little flyby. This is kind of sketch to drive, but hopefully it will be fine. Let's go! Oh, shit. Let's take on the grass. Oh shit! Holy crap! Whoa! Oh shoot! Something's gotta break. Nah, we can't wish that. We actually can't even put that out in the world. Woo! Whoa! No! God. There's not be wanting to idle. Go do a donut test. Donut test. Hop in. Should try to go up this right here. All right, we're doing it. Let's go. Light work. Whoa.
Did not just blow.
No, no way, right? Oh no, wait, maybe the spark plug.
Oh no, it's the seatbelt.
Huh? Oh my God. That's scared me. Bro, what is this thing? Like handbrake, bro. Let's go. Oh!
That back rim is looking hella bent.
Bro, there's no way. There's no seatbelt. It bent my axle. Are you serious? Are you serious? I don't care. Let's do it. All right, I'm risking my life and risking snapping the axle, but. Ow! Oh my God, guys, it's so bumpy now. This axle is not gonna last. There's no way. Oh, this thing's gonna break. I need a new axle anyway, so it's okay. God damn it. Oh my God, what are these? Oh my. Alright guys, well now we're going to do a brake test on the grass. The axle is bent, it's really bumpy, but let's see what you got. I mean, we'll give her some tests. We're out here already, so. Jesus Christ, it's such a bumpy ride. No, why did this have to happen? Alright, let's slide the corner right here. Oh my God. Here, get in, let's go to the gravel. Alright, well, it's slightly a bumpy ride. But let's do some donuts here. At the life this axle got, it's gotta break soon. Test, what is this, test 3?
Oh, what the hell?
Test 3, test 2, I don't know. But let's do some donuts with the bent axle. Guys, oh my God, it actually does donuts so well in the gravel. But this axle, I mean, it's holding up. So we're still gonna do the video.
Dude,
So it passed the donut test. It passed the brake test. I thought that was pretty good as braking. But now we just gotta go. All right, I think now it's time to take it to the beach. I think that's the only logical thing to do.
Or we send the ramp.
Send the ramp for the video? You wanna race?
No!
Oh. No!
Currently driving the Cybertruck for him. Look at this kid's rim.
God, that's so annoying, guys. I don't know if I could top speed test it with the goddamn thing like this. All right, let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think the combobulator's broken. Combobulator's broken. So this is test number, I don't know what, but we're gonna be tasting on the sand. So I mean, right now it seems to be handling it pretty good. We're gonna be taking it on the beach. So let's see. We might get in trouble for doing this, not gonna lie. It's for content, so it's okay. Oh my God, it's doing it. It's doing it for sure. Hey, it's not too bad. Oh my God, I'm like drifting. We're outside. Dude, it's handling it surprisingly well. Woo! Oh! Whoa! Cannot not stall it. Okay, we gotta go this way. I really cannot stall it. I don't even know where we're going right now. Oh, oh. Oh. Guys, I have 3,000 pounds of suspension on this thing, so. Doesn't handle the best. Come on. Come on. No. No. God damn it. God damn it, dude. Oh, we're cooked. We're mega cooked. It is not going to jumpstart here. Oh God. It's a drone. Hope he's not looking for me. Nope. I think he turned in this way. Thing. It's heavy as hell. Woo! Is this Riz, Juju? Riz. You guys want to ride in the Jeep? Alright guys, well, we pushed it out of the smog, or the beach. I'm really goddamn sweaty, that was really hard. Now we're gonna get some rollers of it. It seems like every time I make a video, something gotta go wrong. God, I'm so tired from pushing that thing. That should be a half a mile pushing the sand. Now we're gonna get some rollers. All because that goddamn seatbelt bent my axle. But now let's get some rollers and see what this thing got. I don't think it's gonna go very fast because of that axle. Alright guys, we lost the mic, but we found it. Guys, I am pumped, sweaty from pushing it on the beach. I'm tired. We did the tops. I couldn't really do a top speed. I mean, we were going like 40. I know it goes to like 55, but I can't do a top speed with the axle like that. I'm just gonna die. Oh my God, it's so fun. Thank God we finally got it working. So now we got the axle done, but we got some crazy projects on the way. The next thing is a 450 shopping cart go-kart that we're gonna be building in 12 minutes. So we saw it brakes good, it can drift, it can drive, it can dune, and it can top speed. But I mean, the top speed we couldn't really get because the axle. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a beautiful day. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, it really means a lot. It'll help out the video a lot. Thank you guys so much. Peace.
Is there? And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the mat.